Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the time of an activity after which the screen will go off on Android 15 beta. First, go to Settings, then scroll down to Display and Touch. Now click on Screen Timeout, and now you can adjust the timeout so it's the time of an activity after which your screen will go off. You can also enable adaptive timeout or screen attention to prevent your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.